In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Stripe account settings to efficiently activate your payments feature. This straightforward guide will help you get up and running quickly, ensuring that you're all set to accept payments seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to go to the Stripe website. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Stripe, or simply search for it in Google to find the right link. Once you've landed on the Stripe homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button. Log in using your credentials. Make sure to have those ready to save time. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your Stripe activities. Next, navigate to the Settings section. You can usually find this by looking for an icon or link that resembles a gear. This is universally recognized as the Settings icon on most platforms. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Payments. This is the section where you can manage all aspects of how you receive funds through Stripe. Once you're in the Payments section, look for Payment Methods. This page lists the various payment options available for your account. Here, it's crucial to ensure everything is set up correctly to facilitate smooth payment processing. You'll find an option labeled Activate Account. It's important to click on this if it hasn't been activated yet. Activating your account is a key step to ensure that you can start accepting payments through Stripe. With a simple click, you'll begin the activation process, which Stripe has designed to be user-friendly and hassle-free. And just like that, you're all done. You've successfully navigated the settings and enabled payments on Stripe. This ensures your business can accept payments, making transactions easier and more efficient for both you and your clients. Remember, once your payment feature is active, it's wise to test the process with a small transaction to verify everything's operating smoothly. Regularly checking your settings and keeping your information up to date will help avoid any interruptions in service. By keeping your Stripe account well managed, you empower your business to harness the platform's full potential. This guide has shown how simple it is to activate payments, and now you're ready to make the most of your Stripe account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical guides. Have a great day and happy processing.